Microsoft Excel control shortcuts you should know. Boost your productivity and work smarter with these handy Excel keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl A, select all. Ctrl B, bold. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl D, fill down. Ctrl F, find. Here are the other Microsoft Excel control shortcuts you should know. Save time and make your daily Excel tasks easier by mastering these shortcuts. For more video tutorials, tips, and helpful tech content, follow Nucleio Information Services.